How to download FIFA on Android. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download FIFA Mobile on your Play Store. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you do that, you just have to go ahead and click on the search bar. So you guys have to know the official app for FIFA is not available on Play Store, but what you can download is the EAFC, which is the game created by the creators of FIFA as well. So this is the mobile version. So you just search for FIFA and EAFC Sports will show up. Now what you need to do is click on this and click on install. So once you wait for this to download, you can easily enjoy the FIFA experience on your mobile phone. So this is the official app from EA Sports, which is also the creator of FIFA. So that's how you download FIFA on your Android. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.